And welcome back. I'm meteorologist Michael Del Sancho. Let's take a look outside right now in Hagerstown. If you've been out or haven't been out lately, it's actually beautiful. It's kind of crisp air. We do have some clouds out there, but that'll start to clear very shortly. Temperatures in the upper 40s around the region, so 47 degrees, but it's very calm. We're looking at winds just roughly around 2 miles per hour. So the bulk of the rain has moved away. We're just looking at drizzle in some spot areas, but we take a look, still 51, a little warmer in D.C., Germantown, Charlestown, 47. Cooler temperatures as you get out to Kaiser at 43, but we're going to see those temperatures drop to about 41 degrees here in Rockville, so those showers have ended. The gradual clearing will begin after midnight as we get closer towards the morning hours, and then we'll see a little bit of sun as well tomorrow, which will be a nice relief. Here's what's going on today. We had the low pressure system basically right over us, and as it continued to move off the coast, it pulled a lot of that precipitation away, and as you can see on the backside, we've got some pockets of clearing already, and that's what we're going to continue to see over the next several hours. So looking at just the radar itself, a lot of this is just picking up some ground clutter, but there's a couple of drizzle or just a very light mist out towards Martinsburg. But for the rest of us, we're pretty clear. A lot of that rain has moved out. You can see here on eastern portions of Maryland. And this is what's going on next. So we're not completely out of the woods, even though we'll see sun tomorrow. If you take a look at the total part of the country here, you can see a very large trough. That's the color right here in purple. There's a low pressure system moving over the Great Lakes. That actually started to slide over today. That brought us into right along that trough, bringing some of those more severe storms further down south in southeast Virginia as well as North Carolina. And that low pressure system will kind of linger for a couple of days, which is why we're going to continue to see clouds on and off over the next couple of days. And then for tomorrow, it's going to bring some showers. Now, not in the morning. It's going to be one of those days where you've got the sun out. You think, we're in the clear, but once the afternoon comes around, that's where some of those clouds start to work their way in. You can see it right here. We've got a lot of sunshine. We do have some areas that have some mix of clouds in the morning. As the day goes on, all of a sudden you can see, this is why we call it kind of widespread or scattered showers all around the entire region. Fairly, it's light unless you get into a small pocket of some of that rain. And then once we head over to Saturday, we can see a mix of sun and clouds in the morning, so kind of the same scenario. And then once you get in the afternoon, you can see all the green spots that pop up. We also have in the mountain regions, the higher elevations, we could see some snow showers because our nighttime temperatures will be close to freezing. And then once we get into Sunday, that's where we get a little bit more of a transitional day and some clearing. So for tomorrow, we could get a few rumbles of some thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening time period. So we are under kind of a thunder watch, but we don't have any risk for severe weather. And then tomorrow morning, starting off in the low 40s with some of that sunshine. But once again, once we get into the afternoon time frame, here we are, 3, 5 o'clock. That's when some of that rain kind of moves through. Once again, it's going to be more widespread and scattered. So for tomorrow, we're looking at 59 in Martinsburg, 53 Cumberland, 57 in Romney, a little cooler in Oakland at 45 degrees. Head on over to the I-270, Germantown 60, pretty much right around 60 in Frederick, 58 in Thurmont, 57 in Myersville, Northern Virginia. A little bit on the warmer side. We're going to see temperatures closer to 62, 63, especially near D.C. Head further south towards Fredericksburg, we can see 66 degrees. Now for the weekend, tale of two ends. We've got a chance of rain on Saturday. So once again, some sun, some of those showers in the afternoon, 54 degrees, so much cooler. And then as we flip to the other side, take a look at Sunday. That's our transitional day. So we're talking about mostly cloudy conditions. We also have some breezy conditions. Winds are going to be out of 15 miles per hour, out of the northwest, and see some gusts as well. But once that goes through, once that clears out, we're going to have a ridge move in through the area. We're going to have that happen right around Monday. So what you can see is we stay right around those 50s over the weekend. Monday is where we jump into the mid-60s. So it gets much warmer very quickly. And then right after that, take a look. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, that's really our big warm-up as we head into the mid-70s on Tuesday. And then we can flirt with the upper 70s and even around 80 degrees as we head through the middle part of the week. And then once again, a chance of some thunderstorms once we get to Thursday. That's a look at your 7-day forecast.